Now, feeding is a beautiful thing. These are skinned mice cut up, and the pieces are a little bit bigger now. I'm making them bigger and bigger. And then the next step, he says, I can't swallow it. There we go. Then the next step is to offer him whole mice. I know, look at that sweet face. Yeah, look at that face. To offer him whole mice that he will hold with his feet and tear with his beak. But, you know, he's only 6 weeks old, so his neck muscles aren't very strong, and, you know, his little beak's not very strong, so all that comes in due time. You know, he's got my grocery list all ooked up. That's a good Bowie. And it looks like I've got a psoriasis patient hanging out on the desk. He's leaving little flakes everywhere. So that's okay. I'll just hoover the desk once a day. What, buddy? What? Are you done having breakfast? Are you done having breakfast, huh? You want a little bit more? Here we go. Here. Oops, I'm sorry. I wasn't holding it right. Here we go. There. Oh, he's a good boy. There we go. Oh, and he's so polite. Such a polite little eater. Is it stuck? Is it stuck on your beaky? Here. Here. Wait a minute. Mr. Man. Here we go. Come on. Come on. There you go. What is it, my love? Poppy. Yeah. Oh, no. You want to go out, shall we? Here we go. One more bite. There we go. Oh, he's a good boy.